What is a Genetec Authorized dealer, and does the choice matter? An authorized dealer is an installer Genetec has trained and certified on its own systems. That certification decides whether you get one system or three. Every dealer sells identical Genetec software. The dealer is the variable. So ask a dealer to prove four things. 1. Certification and training. 2. Coverage across the Genetec line. Security Center, Omnicast, Stratocast, CloudLink. That platform ties video, door records, and license plate reads. 3. The compliance paperwork public agencies require to buy. 4. Repair and service after the install. Who comes back when something fails? A forced door, the camera that saw it, the badge record that explains it. You get those in 3 places or one screen. The installer decides which. This is Security Center configured by a certified installer. The event log fills. One row reads, door forced open. On the map, a red alarm blooms. Right beside it, in the same window, live video. So run one test before you sign. Ask a dealer to show you that one screen live. If answering one question takes 3 logins, you have your answer. The same test fits a business or a public agency. The software is settled. The installer is your choice. Talk to an authorized Genetec dealer. Safe and sound security is that installer. Nationwide. Commercial and government security systems, more than 20,000 locations over 19 years.